Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide as to how to set up the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Included in the box are a power cable and USB adapter, 2 AAA batteries, a HDMI extender, the voice remote, the Fire TV Stick and a few quick start guides. First we take the Fire TV Stick and the HDMI extender and connect the two together. This HDMI extender is useful as you might have problems connecting the Fire TV Stick into a HDMI port on your TV. The HDMI extender just gives a little bit more flexibility when connecting the Fire Stick to a port on your TV. Next we're going to connect the power cable using a micro USB connection socket on the Fire TV Stick. The plug adapter is recommended to be used as sometimes plugging into the USB port on say a TV may result in a not enough power message. We plug the Fire TV Stick into an available HDMI port on the TV. We turn the TV on and make sure you go to the correct HDMI port on the TV. Having inserted the 2 AAA batteries into the remote control, the Fire TV Stick should find the remote. It asks you to press the play pause button. We can then choose the language. We then have to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So select your Wi-Fi network and input your Wi-Fi network's password. Now the Fire TV Stick will look for any new software and updates and install them. This might take some time, so just have to be a bit patient whilst installing. The Fire TV Stick may restart once or twice during this update process, but when it's completed, you'll then be asked to sign into your Amazon account. If you're new to an Amazon Fire Stick, you might need to go ahead and create a new Amazon account. I've already got an account, so I'll go ahead and sign in. Ideally, you need to sign into your Amazon account on a phone, mobile device, tablet or computer and go to amazon.com/code. You then input your activation code. When you click on continue, you can see that the Fire TV Stick will then connect to your account. You can then enable or disable parental controls. And then it's time to configure your remote control to control your TV. You select the make of your TV from the drop down list. The Fire TV Stick will then play some music. Using the Fire TV Stick remote control, press the volume up and down button and make sure the volume changes. If the volume changes, press yes, and therefore the Fire TV Stick remote control is now successfully set up. You'll then be taken to your Fire TV Stick's homepage, where you'll have access to pre-installed apps and Amazon Prime content. Please place a like if you found the information in this video useful, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of any new videos. Thank you.